Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra took to Twitter on Saturday to claim that she is under surveillance. The MP from Krishnanagar in West Bengal is facing a privilege motion brought against her in the Lok Sabha for citing allegations of sexual misconduct against a former Chief Justice of India. Mahua Moitra has now written a letter to Delhi Police Commissioner S.N. Srivastava and the SHO of Barakhamba Road Police Station seeking withdrawal of the security forces allegedly deployed outside her home. In the letter, Moitra claimed the station house officer of Barakhamba Road Police Station visited her at official residence in Delhi on Friday. She adds that soon after, around 10 pm on Friday, 3 BSF officers armed with assault rifles had been deputed outside her residence. The conduct of these armed officers indicate that they are making notes of movements to and from my residence. It appears to me that I am under some sort of surveillance, Mahua Moitra said in her letter to the Delhi Police Commissioner. I wish to remind you that right to privacy is a fundamental right guaranteed to me as a citizen of this country, the TMC MP added. While requesting Delhi Police Commissioner S.N. Srivastava to withdraw the personnel, Mahua Moitra said in her letter, upon making inquiries, I was informed that the armed officers had been deputed from police station Barakhamba Road for my protection. However, I, being an ordinary citizen of this country, did neither ask nor want any such protection, Mahua Moitra stated. While talking to media outside Lok Sabha, Moitra pointed out that instead of just protecting her, the armed forces should protect every citizen. Don't waste resources on protecting just me, protect everybody. I don't need anything special, I don't take security. If you are surveilling me, ask me and I'll tell you. Indian democracy is already under threat. Don't make us feel like we are living in Russian Gulag, news agency ANI quoted her as saying.
Didn't come out very properly, but then I decided that if it is protection, I do not want protection because you should inform me. This is not the way to give protection and I don't want it. I am a citizen of free India and I will take my chances. The second thing is very important, that if you are surveilling me, that is not on. It is simply not on. If you are trying to intimidate me, it's making me laugh. I don't get intimidated. I have nothing to hide. But this is not a Russian gulag that you can sit here and surveil and have surveillance on elected members.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.